we're very concerned that women, all evaluations to date show that women in particular lose out with universal credit, and it's acting as a barrier to women going into work and earning more money. But also Brexit is concerning because of a lot of the programmes that currently assist women in getting into work in Wales are funded by European money, and at the moment we have no idea what's going to happen once that money is no longer coming in from Europe. In terms of universal credit, there's a lot of evidence that shows that the issues around the second earner in the household act as a disincentivisation to women going into work and working more hours. That then combined with a lot of problems have been around claiming childcare costs. It means that a lot of women are put off going into work because it's not proving to be worth their while. Once that European funding goes, we need assurances from the UK government that they're going to replace that and ensure that other programmes are in place to help women in the economy. Men would be in the same situation, but as we know from the gender pay gap, more often than not women get paid less than men, often substantially less than men. So by default then the women tend to be the second earner in the household, so the vast majority of those people affected are women. Although of course men would be affected if they were the second earner. We're hoping that we're going to see amendments to legislation going through on Brexit so that we can get further clarity on what's going to happen with funding once that gets repatriated to the UK. And we're also looking at working with MPs to put pressure on the government to make those fundamental changes to the way that universal credit works as well. But what we need to see is that assurances that that money is going to be distributed in the same way so that the poorest areas benefit most. But there are possibilities, of course, that things could be better. There'll be differences in the way the money is distributed. There might be fewer regulations. There's lots of potential, but we need to see some facts from the government on how they plan to proceed, really.